Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how we can change the projection of any shapefile. For that we have to add any shapefile here. Let's first check the property. It is in a geographical coordinate system. Okay. Then for changing the coordinate system we have to search here project. And after searching the project we will go to here project data management. Then after new final, give the location. Projected list, right? Save. Then go here in coordinate system. We have two options: geographic projected. It is only geographic coordination. Let's go convert it into projected. We will go to the UTM, WGS, Northern. In Nepal case, we mostly follow 44 and 45. Then after OK. It is completed. Then let's edit. We have a store projected. Add. Now let's check the property. Okay, it is here in WGS 1984 UTM. Okay, fine. Thank you.